The winter of 2024 took a devastating toll on one of the Town of Oyster Bay's top summer attractions. In early April, just days after volunteers spent their weekend fortifying TOBAY Beach with truckloads of dune grass, a series of powerful storms cut into the shoreline and washed nearly 2 million cubic yards of sand out into the ocean, leaving 6-foot drop-offs and mud-filled chasms where a blanket of soft white sand once lined the Town of Oyster Bay's precious oceanfront.
It's a very sad day in the Town of Oyster Bay. Our beloved TOBAY Beach has been swept away.
While awaiting emergency assistance from the state and federal governments, Town of Oyster Bay officials, engineers, and workers immediately sprang into action to ensure that no further damage would be done.
The activity you're witnessing really illustrates our commitment to providing you a beach to enjoy for this summer.
A project of this magnitude requires the dedication and skills of many individuals, from the planning and logistics team at Town Hall to the damage control and frontline operation at the beach itself.
In rebuilding the beach, we can't just dump sand on the beach. So what we do is we rebuild this beach strategically, and we do a layering system. We don't just build up one area. We build up the entire area in layers. This way, we don't get impacted by the next high tide cycle or any storm activity that might be in the area.
We are running approximately 50 pieces of equipment for this project, between equipment that is on the beach and equipment that's over the road actually hauling sand. We are utilizing 3 different departments: the Department of Public Works Highway Division, the Department of Parks, and the Department of Sanitation Solid Waste Bureau. In order to meet our goal of having the beach open by Memorial Day, we are all hands on deck, and we are running 5 days a week from 5 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock at night.
Well, you're doing a great job. We know it's going to be a perfect beach. The structural integrity of our facilities are intact. We are trucking in some 38,000 tons of sand with 50 pieces of equipment and working every day to ensure that when the Saturday of Memorial Day weekend begins, this beach will be in place and perfect for you to enjoy your summer. I'm Supervisor Joe Saladino with Travis McCabe, and you're watching Oyster Bay Today.
As promised, through the spirited effort and determination of our town leadership, engineers, and workers, TOBAY Beach has been restored in time for the summer of 2024. Although we can't predict or influence what nature will do next, we can assure you that it's going to be another memorable summer at TOBAY Beach.